To install the heat pump, I take a little bit of soap, just a little dab of soap, put it on the seals up there, just lubricate those seals up there, all the sealing surfaces up there. Grab the sump housing. Hard to do. I'll put that on the waist up there. I usually position it in this manner over here. When I put the clamp, I put it like this, so the next person working on the sump will not have a hard time with this oriented in an awkward spot. So you just make it sensible. Where you see the diverter motor, you put in your screwdriver, make space for the screwdriver to go there and tighten that up. If you put it any other way, you will have problems. That comes together like this. And what you want is this waist of the sump to nicely mate up there. Just makes a nice tight seal, and this is also sealing nicely. So this is very important. So now we will use a flat blade screwdriver. This is what makes the VR very special. Maybe I'll position it this way so you can see better. So give a 5mm gap. That's what Bosch suggests. A little bit. But as you're tightening it, you have to adjust it anyway. So that just adjust the waist as you're going along. A little bit of time. Take your time in working with it. Just make sure it's nice and even, and sits nice and even all around when you're doing it. You don't want it too tight, just enough, because it is a plastic housing. You don't want anything to break, so just give it enough force up there. That's it, that's firm. That's not going to leak. So that's an even amount of space all around. So now we're ready to put this all back together and hook up the new wash pump and heat pump. So to do this now, whilst we are at it, I always like to clean the seals and the O-rings on all the drain hoses. So let's do that. That a little bit of a clean. That's your old Otica hose clamp. So what we're going to do is push this guy in first. And this one will not come apart. So, as a matter of thing, we should detach this. Cut it.